Hello everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some really amazing vegan double chocolate chip cookies. They're super delicious and here's the ingredients you need to make them. There are a few of them and it's a really easy recipe, so I hope you give it a go. Now, we need some vegan butter. This is vegan margarine, it's very easy to find nowadays. We have some organic cane sugar, you can use normal sugar, don't worry. Some instant coffee, won't make it taste of coffee because chocolate and coffee, they bring out flavors which are really good. We have some coconut cream, vanilla extract, bicarbonate of soda, salt, self-rising flour, cocoa powder and some chocolate chunks. Dark chocolate, so they don't have any dairy in them. You can use vegan milk chocolate or vegan white chocolate with it too. All works. All delicious as long as it's chocolate is going to be good. Now, we are going to add the butter into a bowl. And we're going to give it a mix. You can do this in a stand mixer or a hand whisk. I'm going to do it by hand to show you. You can also do this by hand if you don't have a big fancy mixer. You need some elbow grease. One thing I forgot. We're gonna add the coffee granules in with the milk so they melt. Grab a spoon. Coffee granules also melt without heat, so give them time and they'll eventually melt. In with the coconut cream. You can use non-dairy milk like soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, hemp milk, any sort of non-dairy milk, there is lot. Once you have a texture that looks something like this, we'll add the sugar. And mix it until it's light and fluffy. Alrighty, now once you've mixed it and it is light and fluffy like this, we're gonna add the coffee coconut cream or coffee and whatever milk alternative you have decided to use, and the vanilla. This is in place of the egg. If you don't want to use non-dairy milk, you could always use aquafaba, or you could add some vinegar and it would work the same. Okay, we'll add the flour. Cocoa powder. Salt and bicarb. Okay, chocolate. And give it a good old mix. Okay, once it's mixed, this is the consistency now that we have. Now, let me tell you one thing about vegan. Okay, start again. Let me see. Okay. Hey, what you're talking about? Okay. So, once it's mixed, it's gonna look like this. I was saying, before someone rudely interrupted me. About vegan cookie dough, the nice thing is you can eat this raw. So if you like eating raw cookie dough, like the person holding this camera, you can eat this and you won't get sick. And I can tell you it's really good raw, so it's gonna be even better cooked. Now, we're gonna pop this in the fridge for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, so it'll harden up, then we'll bake. See you then. Alrighty, so the cookie dough has come out of the fridge, lined with greaseproof paper, and I'm going to scoop it with my spoon and roll it into a ball. You can make these as big or as small as you like and flatten them. Continue doing that until it is filled. Now I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate on each cookie and then we'll pop them in the oven. This is just some chopped up chocolates. You can use chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. Okay, this is now gonna go in the oven at 180 for about 10 minutes until they cook. Okay, here are the finished cookies. They smell amazing and look even better. Look at that. They're absolutely amazing. If you didn't tell me they're vegan, you wouldn't know. They're just soft and gooey in the middle and crunchy, slightly crunchy on the outside. Uber chocolatey, and I mean chocolatey. They're smacker punch chocolate. Please make them, they're really, really good. Now, don't forget to subscribe. The little red button, go ahead and click that. It really helps me. It shows me you guys like this video and therefore I can make more. And hit the like button and share it with your friends. I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.
Happy birthday! Is it? Good girl. Is it yummy?